How to remove the heatsink fan in your Xbox 360 board without using the X-clamp remover. It's the special tool in removing this X-clamp. So this is how you're gonna do it. You just need a Stanley flat screw, the tiny one. Okay, this is Stanley, the 2.0 millimeter. Okay, I'm gonna show you how. Just put it back, and then you're gonna pull this area like that. See it's still locked, right? Still locked. Okay, so that's how you're gonna do it. First we do it here, and then next in here, and then there, and then this. Okay. Just put some force. You hear it? Yes. You have successful one. And as I told you, you should do it in the opposite way. Okay. Second one, and then here. Up. Then that's the thing, easily removed without the special X-clamp tools. Okay, you see that it's not been damaged. Okay. You see the lock, still locked. The other way around, if you want to put it back. Okay, just put it like that and snap it right here again. Snap it and put it like that. Okay, hope you get it. Yeah, just like that, and then you snap it and you will see the lock. Okay, it will be placed. Okay, just like that. And thanks for the time.